Hi guys, it's Tamara and I wanted to share with you why you, yes you, should be recording yourself every single day. Now if you are relying on your singing teacher or your family or your friend or your boyfriend or your girlfriend or whoever to give you tips on how you can be better, maybe you are missing the point that you should be giving yourself advice and you should be assessing your own voice as much as possible. I thought I'd approach this video in two different ways. One, if you don't have a voice teacher and you are relying on your own practice, and two, if you do have a voice teacher and how you can implement recording in your lesson if you don't already, and really tell you why it's really important to record every single lesson you attend. For those who are going at it solo and learning off the internet and using all different things at their disposal from the internet or from TV to learn how to sing, recording can be really, really helpful. Now, I know a lot of people, when I ask them to record themselves, they give me this face. Don't despair. The more you listen to yourself, the easier it gets every single time. The more you will start to grow to like your voice. You should do it every day because you will start to see improvement. It will inspire you to work on your voice every day, which you should be doing if you do want to be serious about singing. If you do have a voice teacher, recording your lessons can be so helpful because you can really go back on them and listen to them and make sure that you are not missing one single important thing in your lesson. Also, it really takes out the point of writing down every single thing that you're learning, which can be really time consuming. If you're listening back to your lesson straight after, or maybe the next day, you can write down all the points that your teacher gave you so you can reflect on them and then work on them during the week or weeks before you see your teacher again. If you are also working with a teacher, it's very helpful because you have this lovely little record of where you were and where you will be in the future. I actually still have some of my singing lessons from when I was 13 and it's so cute and I love listening to them because I wasn't that good. But it's nice to know that I'm here right now in this moment and that's where I was. I personally am a Mac user because the school I work at is an Apple school, so I do use a Mac and an iPhone. I find the Voice Memos app, which comes already installed in your Voice Memos, is really great. Really simple. Does it have the best mic? No, it doesn't. But that is not the point. We are not making recordings to put on YouTube. Well, if you do use that, that's totally fine as well. But this is more for you to listen to your own instrument. It isn't the best recording, but that's fine too. And actually, it makes it even better. So when you do have a great setup, when you go to sing, it's like, oh, so nice. So I do like to use my Voice Memo app, which is also on my Mac computer. I will do a little tutorial with you to step you through those steps. If I am recording, I get my voice memos up and I press just the little red button here and then I record, testing, testing, testing. And then the cool thing about this is you can immediately go to titling and you just click on the new record and you type in wherever you want to call it, lesson 1, or maybe you were focusing on something in a lesson, or maybe you're singing a song, and then you can click share. Now, I know Androids will have their own features, and I don't know how to use those. I'm sure there's a billion tutorials on the internet. And then I will step you through the Mac computer. When I have my Mac computer up, I will have my Voice Memos app up, and I will look that in the search bar. Voice Memos. I will click record, I will follow my little lesson, and then I will click done. I will name my title lesson 6 or cover of song. Very creative there. And then I will drag that onto my desktop like so. I have my own singing folder on my desktop. It's really easy to access then, and I can see all my backing tracks and I can see all my lesson recordings, and I just drag from the desktop into one of the folders or I make a new folder. So I hope this video inspires you to record yourself more. Don't be worried about how you think you sound. Sometimes you will be so much better, and don't be hard on yourself. Learning to sing is hard and it takes practice and it takes patience. Be happy with where you are in this moment and you will improve so much. Anyway, that's everything from me. I'll see you guys later. Happy singing. Bye.